Welcome, and thanks for tuning in. I'm Holly. I'm from the Bingham Creek branch of the County Library. Would you like to learn how to make one of these quilts? How about these hand mitts? Or this clutch? You can with Creativebug. It's a new arts and crafts database on the County Library website. It's free and the classes are taught by professional instructors. Today, I'd like to demonstrate how you can use it too. To find it on the County Library website, look for the tab Learn. When you tap on it, scroll down and you'll find the picture for Creativebug. Tap on that. Once you're in, you will need to create a free account. You can use it anytime and it will store information for you like watch list, pictures, and notes. To get started, click on the red box that says See Latest Classes here. There you will see four main headings: Classes, Inspiration, which has fun features, CBTV, which has information about the video production and the instructors, and Daily Practice, which has longer classes which go more in depth. Let's look at classes first, since this is probably the section you'll use the most. Here, if there's a specific subject you'd like to look up, you can do so in the search bar. Or you can browse the different classes Creativebug offers. If you tap on Classes, down below you'll see several videos. You can look through and get some inspiration for something that you'd like to do. Or you can look up different sorts of classes by tapping on it again. You'll see 10 different categories: art and design, sewing, quilting, paper, knitting, crochet, food and home, jewelry, holiday and party, and kids. Let's look at one of these categories of classes. I've been wanting to take up sewing again, so I'm going to look at the category for sewing. When you tap on it, once again, you'll see all different kinds of sewing classes that you can just have fun looking at. Or you can try to find different kinds of sewing classes. There's different categories like baby and kids, fabric design, hand stitching, home decor, and so on. And it also has other kinds of helpful ways to look for classes, such as classes for beginners, multi-part classes which are longer and more complex and take place over a series of lessons, and techniques, which cover specific skills or procedures, like certain kinds of stitches, or even like how to maintain your sewing machine. Let's try looking at classes for beginners. As you can see, there's all kinds of great easy classes. There's one on how to sew a pillow, there's some on making patches, making aprons. I've been wanting to make a kimono, so I think I'll look at this one on how to sew a butterfly wrap. In the corner, you can also see how long the video will be, 13 minutes. When you open the class, first you'll see the video. If you've watched it before, you can either resume where you left off or start from the beginning. Below the video, there's several useful features. There's a description, which is an overview of the class, chapters, which is kind of like a table of contents, a list of the materials that you'll need, a gallery of the completed project, including pictures uploaded by members who have made the project before, a discussion section where members can add their tips, a notes area where you can put your own notes, a place where you can add it to the watch list, a transcript of the video, and oftentimes there's a PDF area where you can download instructions and pictures of the project. Now I'd like to show you a bit of the video so you can get an idea of what it's like.
Hi, I'm Ashley Nichols. I'm an artist and quilter, and today I'm going to show you a really fast and easy way to use one of your own t-shirts to draft a pattern for a top. This top is really light and airy, and it works well open, or you could even use a belt to close it. Therefore, we've named it the butterfly wrap.
Another great feature of Creativebug is the pattern library under Inspiration. As you can see here, the pattern library has patterns for all kinds of projects. You can download them to your computer to use now or later. So if you like doing projects, if you like getting creative, I hope you'll try Creativebug on the County Library website. And have fun! Thanks. Bye.